Anyway, so the next one I'm going to do is Pikliz. I try to, I like, when you talk about Black history, especially New Jersey. New Jersey, 1 out of 4 children are born to immigrants. So there's a lot of, not just African Americans here, there's a lot of just Black immigrants in general. So I picked an easy one because I have a Black immigrant in my house, and I was like, hey, won't you help me? So we're gonna do Pikliz. Pikliz is more of a garnish, so we're just gonna do a regular one. So we have cabbage, carrots, and just regular peppers, and it's different color to give it a little bit of a presentation.
So first he put some shredded cabbage in there. It's actually shredded cabbage, and then we chopped it up a little bit. The second thing he's putting in there are, again, we got shredded carrots. So we went for easier. You can actually get regular carrots and shred them yourself or chop them up. We got shredded cabbage and shredded carrots, and then we just chopped them up a little bit finer than what they already were. And then now he's adding red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and some green bell pepper, and a little bit of onion to it. And we're gonna skip the hot peppers in it.
We're gonna skip the hot peppers. But I am gonna add vinegar to this too, and I'm gonna add some adobo too.
So we're just gonna put about a teaspoon of vinegar, not too much, just a little bit. We're using regular white vinegar. There are a couple ways that you could use this. You could either use white vinegar, or you could use a white wine vinegar in it.
I just put a lot in there, Andrew. You saw that. Huh? I know, right? You saw that. How it just all came out, right? It's not a lot, so I'm not going to put a ton in there. So.